In the tranquil kingdom of Eldoria, Princess Liora was a symbol of hope and beauty, beloved by all who knew her. With her golden hair and emerald eyes, she was known not only for her grace but also for her courage. Every morning, she would ride through the meadows surrounding the palace, always stopping by the village to greet her people. But one fateful morning, her horse returned without her, stirring panic across the kingdom. Rumors spread quickly. Some said it was the work of bandits, others whispered of dark sorcery. The king, desperate to find his only daughter, sent out his finest knights to scour the land. Days passed with no word, and the kingdom fell into a state of despair. Unknown to them, deep in the shadowy forests of the north, Princess Liora was being held captive by a mysterious sorcerer named Melgith, who had long coveted the throne. Liora, however, was no ordinary princess. Though imprisoned in a dark tower, she kept her wits about her, secretly observing the sorcerer's magic and learning his weaknesses. With each passing day, she grew more determined to escape and return to her kingdom. She knew that her people needed her, and she would not let Melgith's evil plans come to fruition. One stormy night, as the sorcerer was distracted by his dark rituals, Liora managed to unlock her cell using a charm she had secretly crafted. Escaping through the tower's labyrinthine halls, she fled into the forest, her heart pounding as she evaded Melgith's minions. As dawn broke, she was finally found by a search party led by her most loyal knight. Reunited with her family, Princess Liora vowed to protect Eldoria from the darkness that had nearly claimed her.